When mounting televisions above the floor slab, especially with a significant distance between the outlet and the desired TV height, several options exist to extend the power cord safely and effectively. Here are some ways to address the issue of a power cord being too short for a post-mounted television. Firstly, consider using an extension cord. This is the simplest solution, bridging the gap between the existing outlet at the slab and the TV power input. It is crucial to choose a heavy-duty extension cord that is rated for the appropriate amperage required by the television. Check the TV specifications to determine its power consumption and select an extension cord with a higher amperage rating to ensure safety and prevent overheating. Secondly, investigate the possibility of installing an in-wall extension outlet box. This involves extending the electrical circuit from the existing outlet to a new outlet box positioned to the desired height behind the TV. This method offers a more discreet and aesthetically pleasing appearance, as the power cord is concealed within the wall. This installation should be performed by a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with local electrical codes and safety standards. The electrician will run the wiring inside the wall cavity, connecting it to both the existing outlet and the new outlet box. Thirdly, consider a cord management system. If using an extension cord, a cord management system can help conceal the cord and create a neat, organized look. These systems come in various forms, including cable raceways, cord covers, and cable sleeves. They help to hide the cord from view, reducing clutter and improving the overall appearance of the installation. Fourthly, explore alternative power sources such as power over Ethernet or PoE. If the TV supports it, you can connect it to a PoE switch. This technology provides both power and data to the TV over a single Ethernet cable, eliminating the need for a separate power cord. PoE is a convenient option for installations where running a dedicated power cable is difficult or undesirable. The TV must be compatible with PoE, and a PoE-enabled switch or injector is required to supply power over the Ethernet cable. Fifthly, you may look into wireless power transmission. Wireless power transmission technology offers a cutting-edge solution, transmitting power to the TV through the air. While still a relatively new technology, it eliminates the need for any wires altogether, providing a clean and clutter-free installation. Wireless power transmission systems typically involve a transmitter unit that plugs into the existing outlet and a receiver unit that is attached to the TV. The transmitter emits a wireless signal that is captured by the receiver, which then converts it into electrical power for the TV. There are other important considerations to take into account when extending power to a mounted television. Safety is paramount. Ensure that any extension cord or power system used meets all relevant safety codes and is properly grounded. Check the local electrical codes for specific requirements regarding extension cords, in-wall wiring, and grounding. Proper grounding is essential to prevent electrical shocks and ensure the safe operation of the TV. Cable management is important not only for aesthetic reasons but also for safety and functionality. Use cable ties or clips to secure the cords and prevent clutter. This will help to keep the area around the TV neat and organized, reducing the risk of tripping hazards and making it easier to access the TV connections. Accessibility is important as well. Ensure that the outdoor outlet is accessible for easy maintenance and replacement if needed. If the outlet is located in a difficult-to-reach area, consider relocating it or installing a new outlet in a more accessible location. This will make it easier to perform maintenance on the outlet and replace it if necessary. Also consider surge protection. Installing a surge protector helps to protect the TV and other electronic devices from power surges. Power surges can damage sensitive electronic components, so it is important to protect your investment with a surge protector. Surge protectors are available in various forms, including power strips and in-wall surge protectors. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Firstly, accurately measure the distance from the outlet to the TV mounting location. This will help you determine the appropriate length of extension cord or cable needed. Take into account any slack needed for routing the cord or cable. Secondly, choose an extension cord or PoE injector with the appropriate length and amperage rating. Do not use an extension cord that is too long, as this can reduce the amount of power available to the TV. Ensure that the amperage rating of the extension cord or power injector is sufficient for the TV power consumption. Thirdly, conceal the extension cord or power system as much as possible for aesthetic purposes. Use cord management systems, in-wall wiring, or other methods to hide the cord or cable from view. This will help to create a clean and professional-looking installation. Fourthly, keep the area around the TV free of potential tripping hazards. Ensure that the cord or cable is properly secured and does not create a tripping hazard. This is especially important in high-traffic areas. By carefully considering these options and following these tips, you can safely and effectively extend power to your mounted televisions, ensuring a clean, organized, and aesthetically pleasing installation. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all work is performed in accordance with local electrical codes and safety standards.